Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has moved the Delhi High Court challenging his arrest by the Enforcement Directorate and the 6 days of remand in an excise policy linked money laundering case. All eyes are on the Delhi High Court as it is to take up the matter today. Now, as far as the Enforcement Directorate is concerned, soon after Kejriwal filed a plea challenging his arrest, the Enforcement Directorate filed a reply before the Delhi High Court opposing Delhi Chief Minister's plea against arrest and said that he was given multiple opportunities to cooperate with the investigation in the present case by issuing 9 summonses. However, remember, Arvind Kejriwal chose to disobey the summons. This is what the Enforcement Directorate says. As far as the ED statement in the court is concerned, after Arvind Kejriwal called the custody illegal, ED says he intentionally disobeyed 9 summons. So enough opportunities were given to him to answer the questions and to explain his stand. Kingpin and key conspirator in Delhi excise policy case. The Enforcement Directorate has called the Chief Minister of the national capital the kingpin. They are reiterating that particular stand. Demanded kickbacks from liquor businessmen. These are the allegations leveled by the Enforcement Directorate against Arvind Kejriwal. Used proceeds of crime in election campaign of AAP for Goa. So the proceeds of crime from the liquor gate scam was used for election campaigning of the Aam Aadmi Party in Goa. Another charge is that liable for use of 45 crore rupees in election campaign of AAP in Goa. Arvind Kejriwal has been called the kingpin of the entire scam. Aam Aadmi Party has committed the offence of money laundering. This is what the court was apprised of through that reply filed by the Enforcement Directorate when the custody was called illegal. AAP is major beneficiary of the scam. Enforcement Directorate says Aam Aadmi Party is a major beneficiary and Arvind Kejriwal is the kingpin. They are also talking about Vijay Nair. They say Vijay Nair, Kejriwal's close associate, threatened the stakeholders. Remember, when a question was asked to Arvind Kejriwal about Vijay Nair, Arvind Kejriwal said he does not report to me. His reporting was to Atishi and Saurabh. Let's move on. Let's take a look at the defense that are coming in now. Aam Aadmi Party is calling the entire custody, the arrest illegal, saying ED is acting at the behest of the Bharatiya Janata Party. What is defense number 1? ED is just lying. Defense number 2, ED failed to prove alleged crime in Supreme Court. And they're using the fact that so far in the developments that have taken place in the liquor gate case, remember Sanjay Singh has been granted bail. That is also being used as one of the points by the Aam Aadmi Party. Defense number 3, ED working at BJP's behest. These are allegations being leveled by the Aam Aadmi Party that ED is taking orders from the Bharatiya Janata Party. Their allegation is that BJP is using ED as a tool to destabilize their government in the national capital. Defense number 4, BJP wants to topple the Delhi government. They are using the agencies against opposition leaders and in Delhi against Arvind Kejriwal and all his ministers because they want to topple the government. Defense number 5, arrest to stop Kejriwal from campaigning. In fact, this is one of the reasons cited by Kejriwal all through when the summons were being issued and he was disobeying the summons, that these are just attempts to stop him from carrying out his election campaign. We have Tetri and Sabyasachi joining us on the broadcast with more details. Let me bring in Tetri. Now, Tetri, you know, all eyes are going to be on the Delhi High Court today because the case will be taken up. Arvind Kejriwal has called the custody and the arrest illegal, but Enforcement Directorate has also filed a reply, called Arvind Kejriwal the kingpin, and they have told the court that 9 summons were issued to him. He intentionally disobeyed. That's their charge.
Well, yes, certainly. As of now, I'm standing just in front of the residence of Sanjay Singh, and in fact, what we are being told is that in the second half, he will be coming over here at his residence. But as of now, you can see that the leaders from UP have started coming in, and in fact, I also have the spokesperson of Aam Aadmi Party from the state of Uttar Pradesh. Let us have a word with them because yes, it is a big win for Aam Aadmi Party. It is a big relief, but as of now, the 2 leaders are still in the jail, so not that much a celebration. But yes, still they are happy for some certain kind of significant relief. So Sanjay Singh, आज घर लौट रहे हैं, आपके लिए कितनी बड़ी बात है और आप कैसे सेलिब्रेट करने वाले हैं इसे?
देखिए, ये तो कहते हैं कि इसकी तो मतलब कोई गिनती नहीं, कोई शब्द ही नहीं है, मतलब शब्द ही नहीं है कि इतना सभी लोग खुश हैं कि आप सोचिए कि रात से ही सब आने लगे। यूपी से दिल्ली आना कितना मुश्किल है, रमजान का टाइम है लोगों का, उसके बाद भी देखिए कि लोगों कार्यकर्ताओं में
I'll come back to you. As far as